Hi! In this tech tip I want to show you how I get rid of all the dust of my panel by using a tack rack and compressed air. It's a waterborne base coat, so I take a green tack rack, specially designed, developed for waterborne base coats. First thing I do, I will clean myself to get rid of all the dust of my arms, like this. And then I'm gonna tack rack the panel, start first on the back and do the front end, which is most visible in the end, as a final step. For removing the dust on the panel, I use a higher pressure than the actual spray pressure to get rid of all the dust and avoid blowing the dust into the fresh paint.